Hey guys, sorry I've left you guys hanging with videos. I haven't vlogged. We have been moving for a week and a half and we're moved in finally, but there's no decorations up. My room's still a mess. My office is still a mess. So that's why we haven't been vlogging. It would have been fun in an ideal world to vlog a move, but it was too stressful, too intense. So I thought that I would do a vlog of like a combination of days because that's just what we're gonna do here. I don't know what we're gonna do today. We had an eventful morning. There was a wedding, there was some burgers, it was fun. It's now like 4:30 and I just thought why not vlog the rest of the day. You guys can check out bits and pieces of my new house. And then tonight we're planning on going to Plato's Closet, my husband and I, together without most of the kids. So I thought that'd be kind of fun. So that's kind of what's going on. Look at this little guy. Look at this little guy's face. What does this little guy want? I'll tell you what he wants. He wants a Coke. That's what he wants. You want more? I know, we shouldn't be doing this. No more. So you can tell that this is all the decorations that I need to put up. Check out these couches. They're new. They weren't in the other house. What's this baby doing? What's this baby doing? Hello, my baby. Shh. Looking for mommy. He hears me. Hello, my baby. Hello, my baby.
Hi. Please help me do that.
Good job.
Watch this guy.
Careful with the baby, though. If you're gonna do something, be careful with the baby. Oh, this guy's trying to rob my Coca-Cola. That's naughty. That's Hi. Hi. Trying to get that Coke. No, siree. Thank you. Okay, come sit down here. Get off the table.
Mom, can you take a picture of me and give it to Sheena over here?
Give a picture to Sheena. Hold on. Okay, no more after that, you hear? No more, that's it. No more after that. His face. Kind of like how these chairs look. They're rustic. I was gonna like paint them and stain them, but I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore. Have you had enough of that or what?
No.
Yes.
No.
Hurry, finish it. So you can kind of see a little bit into this. Is the dining room. And there was this cute set of flowers there that Ingrid and Scott, my friends, picked and brought for us. I'll try to show you guys a picture, but they're kind of dead now. Ugh. But they were so gorgeous. All right, come on. That's it. That's it. Let me put this down over there. Hold on. So you can kind of see part of our house. The dog's out there. And the view. Nothing but forest out there. This little guy. Put it on the table, naughty. All right. Show us. Why is my baby so sweet? My baby? Hello, Briggs. Why are you so sweet? He's so chunky. He's so chunky. Apparently, Briggs went to the doctor yesterday, and apparently he's 11 pounds, 9 ounces now. He was born 7 pounds, 9 ounces. So, he's about 6 weeks on Tuesday. It's coming Tuesday, and it is Tuesday today. So in a week, he'll be 6 weeks. So he's getting big fast. What's going on, Briggs? What's going on, buddy? He started cooing just recently. I still haven't done my baby, meet my baby. Oh, don't push on him. Oh, don't push on his belly. Be careful with the little kids because they don't know and they could hurt him so easy. Hello. 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 Anyways, guys, the move was so crazy. It was so stressful. I've never been so, I'm not gonna say I've never been so stressed in my life because I definitely have been more stressed in my life. But yeah, we basically moved everything in. And if you guys are wondering about the Etsy shop, pretty soon, once I get everything set up, I'm gonna start making some frames for you guys. So that's pretty cool. What are you saying? What you saying? Ah, this baby. What you saying? Don't squish his belly. Gosh, what's wrong with you?
I have something to show you, Mom.
Got an owie there.
And this one too.
Don't squish his belly.
This one too. Tiny
Oh,
one.
you're okay.
Okay.
What is your fascination with his belly?
Yes,
No, Durham. Go over there. Take those back over there. Take those back over there right now. Take those on the other couch. Quickly. So it's like 9 o'clock at night. Play-Doh just closed and we just left. Glasses out I just got. They're freaking so cute. I couldn't leave without them. $6.
True, we did not do it without them. She got them.
Let's talk about what happened. You tell me what you thought happened.
With what?
With the fiasco in there.
The fiasco? What fiasco?
The fact that they have no extra large clothing, like shirts. Well, they have extra large clothing, but they only have spaghetti straps. They don't have any sleeves. I like my sleeves. Unless I'm at the beach, I like wearing my sleeves. And they didn't have anything in my size. And I'm thinking that they might be junior sizes because the larges didn't fit me. And usually large in women will fit me right now because I just had baby. So,
Well, probably the majority of people that go in there are like teenagers.
yeah. Anyways. Total fail. And I don't even know what pant size I am. I don't know if I'm a 12 or bigger. Because my hips are still, they're still going into place. Like, I have really small hips, so.
Yep.
I have no bum in the small hips. And so, right now, I don't know what size I am because my hips still haven't gone back to normal. It's only been 6 weeks.
Yep.
I'm really bummed. See, I hate going, this is the problem. I hate going to the store right after I have baby because you just leave depressed because I feel just humongous. Obviously I'm not, but I feel like it. Might as well be pregnant at this point and the problem is I have clothes for after I have the baby, but all of it is in Arizona and we chose to not bring it. And so this is what happens. I go to the store, I can't find anything, and I feel bummed after.
Don't feel bummed.
And I don't even think I'm 6 weeks yet. I think I'm 5 weeks. And next Tuesday I'll be 6 weeks. So today's Tuesday. So next Tuesday I'll be 6 weeks. So I can't even work out right now. Like I can't even do anything about it except eat super healthy. But right now eating is the only thing that's keeping me motivated until I get to work out because I love food and it's keeping me excited and happy during the day.
In 300 feet, slide right onto Bondbeautyful Road.
And I can't even do anything about how big I am right now. The fact that I can't fit in any clothes. It's frustrating.
In 1,000 feet, turn
Then
right
6
onto
weeks
the
not very long
I-295
at
south
all.
ramp.
Only 6 weeks.
Yeah, but the thing is that I can't fit into clothes. I'm not gonna fit into clothes for like 2 months. Whenever I do start working out, I haven't even started working out yet.
Turn
Time
right
flies.
onto the I-295 south ramp.
Time flies, you'll get there.
So I literally, I'm not even kidding. I have this shirt, I have a white version of this shirt, and I have Butch's t-shirts. So it's not like I have a couple clothes that I can feel good in. I literally look like a man for 2 months. Butch thinks it's okay. But this is why I wanted to go get clothes. So that I can feel okay about myself during that time. Because it's not fun when you don't. Which he has no idea what I'm talking about. Okay, Durham, you have to wait so Kai doesn't see yet. It's a surprise. We're gonna sing happy birthday, Kai. You're 2 years old today.
Happy birthday for you.
Hold on. Look, Kai.
Happy birthday for you.
You put it right there.
Happy birthday.
Right here is fine. Kai, look at the minions. Ready? Let's sing happy birthday, guys. Go ahead, daddies. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kai. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Can you blow that? Oh. Should we light it again for her to try to blow it or no? Okay, let's light. Hey, don't touch it. We're gonna light it again because Kai needs to blow it. Ha, Kai. Ha, Kai. Okay, Kai, are you gonna blow on it? Blow on it. You don't do it. Stop. Blow on it, Kai. Keep going. Try again.
Do this. Kai, look.
Try again.
Kai, look at me.
Do this, Kai. Kai, blow on it. Go.
Kai, look at me. Kai, look at me. Kai, look at me.
Blow on it, buddy.
What?
Blow on it. Wait. Almost. Again.
More.
More. Do it again.
More. What?
Yay! Woohoo! His little face. Nice.
Don't touch.
Okay.
Ow. This was to me. Oh, this was to me. Touch it. Why?
Don't even feel embarrassed. Just munch like crazy. Get it with your hands. Stuff it in your face.
Mom, is this swipe?
No one put that one. Okay, guys, it's messier than it was yesterday. First off, yes, he's in the same PJs as he was yesterday because I just barely had put those on him yesterday night. Okay, so check this out. I just put up these decorations. What do you think? There's supposed to be another cushion. What do you guys think? Does it look nice? I think it looks really, really nice. So I'm super happy. So I'm thinking in here putting a picture of the new baby. But these are all flowers for my wedding. So yeah. I love it so far. Oh my gosh. What do you think? Do you love it, baby? Do you love it, my baby? Do you love it? You do? Oh my goodness. Oh, I knew you would love it. I knew you would. You're so happy today. This Conchi. This Fatsy Fats. This, oh my goodness. This Fatsy Fats. You Fatsy Fats. So, let's go get this little boy from his nap. Bawling and crying and whatnot. Have I even showed you guys up here yet? It's like, those are clean clothes I just washed. Prepare for the mess. Happy birthday, la 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 la. Happy birthday, la 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 la. It's your birthday. La la la. It's your birthday. Na na na. Cause he's a kite. He's a baby kite. And he's a coochie kite. And he's a poochie kite. And he's a doonchie kite. And he's a kite. Okay, give me a kiss and then we can go. Give me a kiss. Give me a big kiss first. Give me a big kiss first. Ah, thank you. Alright. Let's go downstairs.
The birthday.
It's your birthday. Yeah, did you say birthday? Did you guys hear that? I heard him say birthday. Is that just like a mommy thing? Look at the boys are gonna share this room at some point. At least their beds are up now. Seriously, it's been a week and a half and we're trying to move in and the AC guy still hasn't come to fix our AC. We haven't had our AC for a week and a half. Hey, now you can see the real deal with having boys. Hey, be soft. Be soft. Be soft. Hey. Those are Kai's for Kai's birthday, so let go of them.
Go for Durham. Let me give him this.
Durham, let go.
Let go, Kai.
Hiram, let go. Durham's gonna give it to Kai.
Why? Let go.
Durham, go get your toy. Give it to him, Durham. That's his birthday toy. Give it to him. Right now. Give it to him. Give it to him. Now. 1, 2. Whoa, Kai. Cause he's a kite. He's a baby kite. And he's a poochie kite. And he's a coochie kite. Kai, go give him a hug and say sorry. No, go give him a hug and say sorry. Give him a hug and say sorry. Let him play with it.